The police report that has been released in connection with Preston Lord's murder has been posted online. It is 1,162 pages. There is a ton of information in it. Based on this report, there is a lot of evidence condemning and supporting the arrests and the prosecution of the 7 that are currently in jail awaiting prosecution, who have been charged with murder, including statements that they made after the fact, witnesses who saw them there, things that they posted online, things that they told people. There were also many calls made to 911 that night, many calls to Queen Creek asking for help. Neighbors called, teens called. It was crazy, out of control, and never should have gotten that big or that out of control. It really needed to have been shut down by police earlier, and that is a common theme for the entire situation. It needed to be shut down earlier. We need, in our society, in our community right now, to be construing gang definitions very liberally, not conservatively, because there is such a danger in a group mentality. And what is described to have happened to Preston is similar to a pack of wolves descending on a deer. Like, it was horrific. And we know that there are groups of boys and girls all over the place that are conspiring online, threatening people, planning to beat people up. This behavior has to be taken really seriously and cut off much sooner. People should be prosecuted to the full extent of the law for crimes way before we get to murder. Parties should be broken up way before we get to murder. The Ken Cost mentality from Mesa, where he said, if we get a whiff of a group of people that could be a gang, we want to know who the players are, where they are. We want to pay attention. We want to really check in and really take it seriously, I think is a good thing. I also think that the homeowners should be charged. Even if it's a slap on the wrist, a message needs to be sent to parents. If you host a party that is dangerous and out of control and results in injuries to multiple people and one person being murdered, you're at risk. It's irresponsible to throw these type of parties. I also think that parents should be held accountable to whatever extent they possibly can be, because I think we need a reckoning in our community about what is allowed and what is not, what is acceptable behavior and what is not.